Alright, so now that we've done Nuka Cola Quantum, we're going to do some Nuka Cherry, which uses the Nuka Cola syrup plus a couple of other things. So first, what we're going to do, we need a cup and a half of water, which is like with all the other syrups. Going to go in a saucepan, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of pitted fresh cherries, halved. I didn't have fresh cherries, it's not cherry season. So I got frozen and I let them thaw. And to help me, I have my dear friend Maddie, and she's gonna cut the cherries in half. Hello!
So are these being cooked?
Yeah.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you, Maddie.
Yeah.
So, now that our cherries are halved, gonna put it in the pan with the water and the sugar. And like we've done with the rest of the syrups, we're going to turn it on to medium to high heat, whisk it until the sugar's dissolved, and then bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, instead of letting it simmer for 10 minutes like with the last two, we're going to let it simmer for 20 minutes. And after that 20 minutes is up, we're gonna remove it from the heat and strain it into an airtight container to store it for 12 hours and up to 2 weeks. Just like with the others. And after 12 hours, we're gonna combine it with a cup of seltzer water, 5 tablespoons of the Nuka Cherry syrup, and 4 tablespoons of the Nuka Cola syrup. Can't forget the ice. And stir it all together. It really is best if you use fresh pitted cherries for this, but when you can't find pitted cherries, frozen should be a just fine substitute. Alright, the sugar looks to be dissolved. Now watch the clock for it. Bring it to a boil first. Putting it on high. So 20 minutes have passed. I'm now going to do what I did with the Nuka Cola Quantum and strain it into a large bowl before I funnel it into a jar. Then we're gonna store it for 12 hours up to 2 weeks. Not gonna let it be 2 weeks, I don't have that kind of patience. And then we're gonna taste it. Alright, so it's been 12-ish hours for everything. And so first we're gonna, no, not first, I've already done things. So we've done Nuka Cola and we've done Nuka Cola Quantum. Now, time for the Nuka Cherry. So with Nuka Cherry, you want to combine a cup of seltzer water, 5 tablespoons of the Nuka Cherry syrup, and 4 tablespoons of the Nuka Cola syrup. And give it a good stir. my theory is gonna taste like cherry Coke. The cherry really brings out the star anise flavor.
Yeah. I like that more than the regular Nuka Cola.
I really want to do try the cherry again, but with actual fresh cherries.
I mean, you use frozen, right? Maybe the same.